Relative atomic mass is the mass of one atom of an element compared to the mass of one atom of carbon taken as 12. Relative atomic mass is measured in atomic mass units. One atomic mass unit is equals to 1.661 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilograms. It is actually the weight of carbon, 1 by 12th weight of carbon. On carbon-12 scale, mass of carbon is 12 atomic mass units and of hydrogen is 1.008 atomic mass unit. Magnesium atom is twice as heavier as carbon atom. On carbon-12 scale, its mass is 24 AMUs. Actually, the atomic masses are so discrete that scientists cannot weigh them on balance. So, they opt relative approach for the accuracy. Someone may ask, why carbon-12? Previously, we were using hydrogen and oxygen-16 as standards. But now, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry uses carbon-12 as the standard because carbon is stable and it exists in solid state. That makes it easier to handle, and it is a part of many organic and inorganic compounds that favors the relative approach.